So I'm putting these longer brown guy ropes or cam buckles together now. And to do that, I'll show you again. You have a little lever that says press. And you want to get your webbing, straighten it up so that it's all lying the same way. So feed it through your hands and get it lying flat. And then you're pressing this cam buckle and it goes right the way back. You can press quite hard and it opens this mouth inside. And you're feeding your strap through from the back to the front. And that creates your buckle that you tension from.